Now I'm gonna close it. As you can see, it is totally black in my room and I can't see anything. And this diffuser box just light up everything in my room. Hi everyone! Yesterday when I first unboxed my softbox lighting kit, it was a total disaster. I do not know how to open the tripod stand, my reflector looks like a wilted flower, and then my fabric diffusion just looks like a total beaten up mess. Now I will be unboxing my second softbox lighting kit so that I can show you how to properly set it up and also give you some tips. So just some brief introduction about my softbox lighting kit. I bought it for 100 Aussie dollars, which is around 70 US dollars for a pack of 2, which means 70 US dollars comes with 2 softbox lighting kit. And I already opened one yesterday and I had to refilm this, and actually right now I'm using the softbox lighting kit right now, and I'll be open the second one soon. Let's open this up. The first thing we have here is the reflector as well as the diffuser fabric, and this is also the port. So when you're buying the softbox lighting, make sure that it is from your own country, or not you need to use a universal adapter. Next here we have the tripod stand for the lighting reflector. So we're gonna open the last thing, which is the bulb. So this is the bulb. Look at this bulb. Look at how huge is this bulb. You're gonna be surprised when you first open this. I thought it was just like this small, but it's really big bulb. Now we have everything open. Now let's start with the trickiest part, which is assembling it. So here we have the beautiful lighting stand, and I will assume most of it is almost the same. So you have like a screw right here, you just untwist it anti-clockwise and you can open it like this. Just pull it out and then it will slowly open it up. Try to push this thing a bit. Okay, so we're done here. And to screw this back to your desired height, just screw it in and it should be able to hold it. So next is the reflector. This I struggled a lot yesterday to open this thing up because it looks like a wilted flower. It's just a mess. So I'm just gonna teach you how to do this properly. So what you're gonna do first with this reflector is you're gonna push this black thing. I assume that most of it has this black thing, and you need to push it into the bulb, push the circle into the what do you call it, bulb holder. So right here, just keep pushing it, push, like an umbrella, opening an umbrella, but harder. Just push it in, make sure it is properly inside this bulb holder. So I've already pushed it in, and it should look like a rectangular shape depending on your own diffuser box. Right now we're gonna put this gigantic bulb inside the hole. Guys, screw it clockwise, alright? Just tighten it, don't care about the sound. Just tighten it. As you can hear some screwing sound. It's alright, just try to tighten it as much as possible. And we're done. And now it's time to fix this end into this tripod stand's end. So I would like to unscrew this thing so that it comes back here, and you can adjust the angle later on, but I'll just quickly tighten it back right here. And then you see there's a hole in here. You want to untighten the screw anti-clockwise. Just properly stick it in and then screw it back in. Screw as tight as possible, and we're done here. So as you can see, the diffuser fabric is really crumpy when you open it. One way I searched up on the internet that you can iron it to smoothen it out, but I'll just quickly teach you how to put it in first. If you see closely, there is like hooks that you can stick it beside the reflector. So the way you are going to put this is just like covering your bed mattress with your cloth. So you just need to slide the edge into the edge of the reflector, and it's supposed to be going in. Right now I'll be turning off all the lights and then testing this diffuser out. Alright, so we're gonna turn it on. I hope it doesn't blow on me. So 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh my god. Look at this. You know, turning on this light is so satisfying. It's just like shining a light through my life. So just a beginner's mistake from my own experience. Even if you have a $1,000 camera or a phone like me, if you do not have a good lighting, it doesn't matter. I sincerely advise those who want to start a YouTube channel or those who have a YouTube channel and they're filming in their house, just go get a softbox lighting kit like this. It costs like $50 like only for one, or $30 the cheapest price that I can find, which is like the umbrella shaped thing. Finally, good luck, and I hope you guys like this video, this short video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace.